What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and we've got some latest wireless earphones by Huawei. These are the Huawei FreeClip 2, and look at the design. So apparently these go into your ear canal and it just goes round onto the back of your ear. The first time I've actually seen a design like this, and there's a few other companies that have actually made similar wireless earphones like this as well. So if you want to see comparisons, let me know in the comment section below which other company has got similar ones like these, and I'll be happy to get them for you and do a comparison. So yeah, here we have the Huawei FreeClip 2. I chose the black color. And just before we get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As always, put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video. You'll actually be notified. So in this video today, we will check out the box, check out what we get inside of the box, then we'll check out the design of the wireless earphones, then we'll take a look at some of the specifications and features, and then we'll take a look at the quality. We'll connect them to my iPhone, and I'll let you know a audio quality and bass quality wise with these Huawei FreeClip 2. And if you want to see any other videos with these wireless earphones, let me know in the comment section below. So let's get started. Right, let's do a audio description of what the box is like. So you got Huawei FreeClip 2. That's the design of the wireless earphones. You got the Huawei logo in the top right hand corner. Take a look at the back. It gives you a bit more information about it. So it's an airy C bridge design, which actually looks like a C, as you can see there. Adapted open ear listening, crystal clear calls. We'll have to make another video to check that out, or the shorts. IP57 water resistant, 9 hours of playback, and it's a dual device connection, which means you can connect it to your phone, tablets, or any other device. So this feature is disabled by default. The IP57 rating applies to earbuds only, not the charging case. And battery life data comes from Huawei's lab test, during which audio was played in AAC format at 50% volume level, and default settings were used for other features. Actual experience may vary, so it depends if you want listening to it at higher volumes. So you got a lot of trademarks here and a few information about where the Huawei address is and all that stuff, and a QR code where you can download the app to start using your earbuds. So let's open these up and let's see what we get inside, as these are brand new. Let's see. I haven't unboxed and reviewed wireless earphones in a long time. I used to do them all the time. For those who used to know me on my previous channel, it used to be all the time. Yeah, so nothing in the top box. Here are the wireless earphones, but just before we take a look at them, let's see what else we get inside of the box. So you get a pouch here. Let's see what we get inside. Inside of the pouch you get a Huawei booklet, quick start guide, and also a warranty card booklet. You get no charging wire or nothing like that. It does take USB type C, but you get no charging wire. Basically just two booklets, which are the quick start guide and the warranty card booklet. Let's take a look at the wireless earphones. Here we have them. At the front it says, for optimal wearing experience, please do not overbend or overstretch the C bridge, which are the wireless earphones. So let's, can we just push these out instead? Oh no, we'll have to take the plastic off. There we go. Wow, look at these. You got Huawei logo at the top with a LED light on the bottom half. Take a look at the back. You've got the black hinge, matte black hinge, with a Huawei FreeClip 2, battery output, case output, and a tel. I have no idea what these two are. So you've got a button at the back which is flush to the body as well. You'll miss it if you didn't see it properly, and that's pretty, I presume, how you actually connect it to your smartphone or any other device. Opening it up, you get a noise, and look at that. Wow, that's the charging case. Looks really nice. Hinge sounds good as well. It's a solid hinge. You get the LED light there as well. Let's take a look at the design of these. Look at that. So you can actually, they are bendy as well, but in my thing, you don't bend them really hard. So I presume these go into your ear canal and these go around onto your ear, behind your ear. And there we have it. So it's got a chrome black outputs with a black, I would say, string. I don't know if they're strings or not, wires. And that's how they look. The Huawei FreeClip 2. I tell you what, for a new design wireless earphones, they are not bad when you actually put them into your ear and they wrap around your ear, and these actually go on the back, and we have buttons on the back of the thing where you can actually answer your phone calls, pause, and you can also play as well. But overall, you get a sound when you put them into your ears, well one by one. Once you put both of them ears, the sound goes from the left to the right, so it just shows you that they are both into your ear, and they are, well, they're not pairing, but they are both like connected wirelessly. So let's put these in back into, well, I don't know how you put them back into the forgot you put them back now. We have the Huawei FreeClip 2. It's an open ear cuff design with skin-friendly silicone, 5.1 grams per bud. The audio is a 10.8mm dual diaphragm driver with spatial audio and 10-band custom EQ. The battery hours is 9 hours with the earbuds and 38 hours total with the case. It is USB Type-C with wireless charging, and 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours of playback. The connectivity is a Bluetooth 5.4, supports SBC, AAC and L2HC and Neuralink as well. Durability is IP57 with just the earbuds, and it's IP54 with the case. Controls, gesture and swipe, tap, head motion controls, e.g. nod to answer. So we'll have to try that as well to see if that actually works. So noise cancellation, you get a 3 minus mic plus AI call noise cancellation. So the FreeClip 2 offers an airy design and comfort and uses reverse sound wave system to minimize audio leakage directly into the ear canal. The charging case is smaller and lighter than the previous generation. Well, that took a bit of time, so I was actually doing it like this. So you have to put these two sensors onto these two charging, and I was doing it like this, and they don't actually fit in, so you have to do it other way around and it just clicks in. There we go. That's how you shut it. So that is it connected. I'm just going to go into my Bluetooth settings and let's see how we'll actually connect it. So let's hold in this side button here. Let's see if the light changes. So you have, well, let's hold it in again. It's gone off. Maybe you have to hold it in there. So basically when you open it up, you will actually get a white flashing light, and it does say Huawei FreeClip 2. Let's press them, and we have connected, and you get a tone there as well. So let's put these into my ear again. You get a noise with it as well, and let's try it on this one as well. So you got another noise on the left earbud, and they are connected. So let's see what the audio and bass quality is. Basically, it's like I've got nothing on my ears. The only thing I can feel is the wire that's wrapped around the ears. That's the only thing I can feel. And shaking my head, they don't actually fall out. So I'm actually going to see how these work when you actually go to the gym. You know, when you go for a jog or you're walking and stuff like that. So let's play some music and let's see what the audio and bass quality is. So right, I've got it playing 50%, and basically I can actually hear myself, which is still good. That's on 50%. The bass is not bad. I'm going to say it's more audio than bass. Let's put it all the way to 100. Now the quality of the audio has changed. I can't even actually hear myself. Still shaking my head. They don't actually move. I cannot actually hear myself. I don't know if you can hear the music. The bass is not good. So if you want some wireless earphones that's got good bass, I don't think these are good for you because there is literally no bass. Let's put the volume. Yeah, the bass is not that good. Audio is very good. Audio I'm going to give 9% plus. Very good audio. Clear as well. Let's I don't know, the audio changes when you get over 75%. It pushes it more into your ear type of thing. But when you go back down to 50, the bass is a little bit better. So over 75% of volume, I'm going to say the audio is 9% and above, and the bass is literally, I'd say 10%. But when you go down to 50%, the audio is good. And well, the audio I'd say is still over 90%, but the bass goes up to about 50%, I am going to say. So yeah, I would say overall not bad, and to say they fit in your ear really nice without even falling out is even better. Right, let's check out the features now. Music is playing, as you can see. I'm going to try and hit the wire that actually goes around the ear, see if that actually does anything. So you get a noise. Double tap will pause it. Double tap the wire again will unpause it. Triple tap will skip a track. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, you can just skip a track. That's pause. So skip a track is just triple tap on it. Double tap is pause. And let's go back. Same again with the left ear. Double tap is pause. Trying to do triple tap one on. So no, skip a track as well. Basically, the features you have is you have to tap this wire here. Single tap doesn't do anything. Double tap will actually pause your track on both of the wireless earphones, and triple tap will actually skip a track. But you can't actually previous a track as well. So there we have it for the features. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the unboxing review of the Huawei FreeClip 2. They actually cost around £140 here in the UK. Overall, what do I think for the quality and the audio and bass? I am going to say, I would say if they were like £100 or £99, it would be worth it. But £140 is a little bit expensive for these wireless earphones. It is a new design, I do get it, but overall they are good as well. Shame about the bass. If it were better bass, I would actually give it 100% on the value for money, but they could be a little bit cheaper in my opinion. But overall, they're not bad. So if you want to see any other videos with these Huawei FreeClip 2s, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see a comparison with any other similar design, let me know which design it is in the comments below, and I'll be happy to purchase them and show you a comparison between them wireless earphones and these Huawei FreeClip 2s. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share out the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.